neck's looking better? That's plenty of sideways. Actually, his neck's looking a lot better, actually. Not too tight, not too tight. Yeah, good with the hands, though. You do it just for one stride, that's it. Yep, good.
Okay. I didn't hear the last thing you said.
That's all right.
I don't know.
When he gets, when he, the deal with that.